Hello ladies and gents, my name's Henrik and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's content, I just want to share that I am here as a fellow learner, not as an expert. The list we're going through is compiled from recommendations by people who have more experience than me in the space. I'm not affiliated with any of these courses, books or channels in any way. My aim is simply to share with those who are looking to grow the skills as a beginner in the AI automation space. All right, let's get started. The first one, you could dive into the 100 Days of Python course on Repl.it. It's a fantastic journey for anyone curious about coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to polish your skills, the challenges in this free course are a game changer. The guy who made this course is really fun to follow, so I've been enjoying it quite a lot. So after you've done your Python, you could go a little bit into JavaScript. It is the language that breathes life into web pages. But this course is a great toolkit for understanding how to make websites interactive and how to leverage JavaScript for AI and automation in web projects. Personally, I've only used JavaScript in Voiceflow. Next up, you could explore the Master LangChain, Pinecone and OpenAI course on Udemy. This is where things get really exciting. So we learn how we use LLMs and how they interact with different technologies. This course is a deep dive into the world of that. You learn how to build intelligent applications and generate human-like language, think chatbots and advanced search engines. All right, and moving on to the world of business and marketing. Let's chat about these two must-reads. The 100 Million Offers and $100 Million Leads books. They're fantastic because they give you actionable advice. So for example, you'll learn how to craft offers that stand out and step-by-step ways to generate leads. In my personal case, I've used the steps in chapter 4 of the leads book to help me do my warm outreach. So basically, I just went through my whole contact list of people in my phone and my Facebook first before doing any sort of cold outreach. You're also welcome to use my custom GPT I made. It is based on this book, so I'll just provide the link below and you can just chat to the assistant. But I think you do need a GPT or OpenAI account for this to work. So I think there is a wait list currently. And last but not least, what you could do is go to the Voiceflow YouTube channel. That channel is quite a rich resource, offering everything from beginner tutorials to advanced stuff. For instance, in one of the videos, Daniel from Voiceflow goes through how to connect Voiceflow to Assistant's API directly. It was good to see them keeping up with the changes in the space when all the stuff came out a few weeks ago. Just before we finish up, there is a link to my Twitter post in the description. Click on it please, and then just comment and follow me on Twitter. I will pick one of you guys at random from the comments and message you in about a week's time to win a free 30-minute call where I will help you with your AI automation agency. Thank you for today and signing out.